Look what just came to the mall today. I mean to the mail. It's crazy. Like, I literally waited for this for like almost like 3 months. And I know you guys know that I already bought one, but actually I kind of sold it back because I didn't like the star and all. But it was really a good one that I had before. And this is what I just got to the mail. Listen, this is a crazy company. It's a crazy company because yesterday I spoke to them about my order and all. It took literally 3 months, but to them, to me, you know, because it's in Toronto, their company and all, but the product came from all the way, you know, like from Germany because they didn't have it in Canada as a stock. So I had to wait like 3 months for it to get, you know, transport all the way to Canada, and then from Canada to the warehouse where I bought it from. From the company, they're the ones that's gonna send it to me, and then from there to here it's only 3 days. And not even like yesterday I spoke with them, this company, and I already have it, like not even less than 24 hours. So I'm just gonna open it. You know, I'm talking too much. Let's see if it's in good shape, because I told him to verify because it's coming from a long way. It did came from a long way. I told him also like to verify if it's really stable. So that's why probably the package is like kind of open and glued back. They said they wouldn't be doing that because it's not their protocol kind of thing. But I told him, you know, to do so, check it if it's in good condition before sending it to me, because I don't want to send it all the way back to you guys because it's a whole lot of frustration over there. But just gonna try to open this. This is a crazy unboxing, man. Only my grandma is in the house and she's like trying to sleep right now. Otherwise, someone would really hold this camera for me and just open this, like my niece is doing for me right now. I mean, she's not my niece. She's my cousin, kind of. Let's see. Damn. Ooh. What? Damn, this looks nice. It is kind of smaller box than the other one that I had before. The other one was even like big ass box, double ass box. Damn, look at this. Damn, it does look nice. No, don't close it, don't close it. I'm trying to open it. So this is the manual. This is actually the product that I bought. So you can see it as a full thing. Look at this. Look how sexy it is. Look, you got the flashlight here on the side, you know. You want to go on it? Last time that I had my scooter, you were always on it. That's crazy. But this one I'm not sure because I got to stand up to ride in it. Hanna? It's nice. Let me just... Nako, electronic. Jusqu'à Germaine, ou les États-Unis, long distance. This is nice. Même si kude mi perimbo dia ni be ujila. J'allais partir. I was just telling my grandma that probably I got fraud or something by the company because I didn't receive for almost like 2 months. Hein?
3 mois.
Ouais, 2 mois et demi. Le 28 je l'ai commandé en mai. Quand même commandé. I don't want to break this shit, but you guys are witnessing me opening the box. I mean, doing some unboxing right now. Oh, this is a good quality thing. Hopefully, it's just resisting into water. What? Order no funding. Mais que c'est tout est sending. Sinon, order ko 10, order ko 11, comme je dis. So I was just telling my grandma this was like 10 inches, and the other one that I bought like last time, it's like 11 inches, like, but I sold it back. So this took me literally like 2 years to figure out how to put it together. Okay, and I was really pissed. And then, you know, I literally hurt myself, you know, to put it together. But this is how, like, you bring it from up, you know, I mean from down to up. And these are like handlebars and everything. You just flip it like that. Put it like that. And you can raise it to like up if you want. Just like that. That's nice, man. Look how sexy that thing is. Look. Damn. Damn. Thing. The power. I hold it for like 37. There's 48% on it. That's good. It does, you know, kind of lighten. Let me see. Okay, this is just some color power. Not sure. But yeah, when you're trying to turn, it does turn like a truck or something, so I don't like it a little bit. And it goes the other way too. That's crazy. And you got the light here. This is supposed to be on the front, just like that. It is bright, right? It's crazy. This thing is way bigger in person, so you may think it's really small, but wait till you see me outside with it, you know? I go to school and then go to work. It's really so portable. It's crazy. There's a new feature I didn't show you guys. Look. This is look like a Lamborghini. That's crazy, man. Listen, I'm gonna get a car probably next year, but this is just a great transportation for, you know, nowadays and all. And for like, you know, for the moment, right? So I like put my money on the side, you know, save money, not even spend money to go to the bus and shit. Listen, I can really save $50 every month from taking the bus, because from now on the bus is not even free. You know, you got the lights on both sides, just right there and here. And you got this one here that is way powerful that I'm blurring the screen right now. And yeah, you got the disc right here, some crazy disc. This is like the suspension, and this helps, you know, detect where if I am outside or something like running. That's crazy. And you got the light on the back. And when I even hit the brake, it does click, you know. That's crazy. I like it. How many kilometers being driven? Let me see. Kipo. I'm not sure, but this just tells you how much kilometers you're going to. But this is nice for real. This is, here is the beep. Here's the beep. You know, for the horn and all. Here's the horn. Here's the light. Is when you're changing like direction and all. It's gonna do that. And here is where I put the volume. I mean, put the power from. I mean the power down. So, and I need a key also like to turn it on. So I got the key over there. This is really nice. I like it. I'm gonna go buy like a freaking big ass, you know, like a big ass like lock for this, because anyone see me with this would be, you know, really inspired to get one and probably even steal. So soon just get a good protection on it, and that's it. Anyway, that's the video. I like it. This is just a short video. I just wanted to show you what I get and all, you know, just to show you as much as possible what I get. And you know, I'm really happy. This is really like a back order, like since like May. And I'm glad that I have it today. She's the one on it. That's crazy. She always on my stuff. Listen, I don't think I'm gonna, you know, let anybody just, you know, anybody like just gonna ask me for, you know, to let them drive it and just let them drive it, because it's something really precious for real to me. And, you know, anybody can steal it and all. And I don't really trust people nowadays, but just don't please ask me for it, because I don't want to be mean and all, but even if that was yours, you would be having the same, you know, thoughts and all, you know, something that you just got right now. You don't want to, you know, to get robbed or something, because it's all about, you know, nowadays, you know, you want to have something that nobody has. So me having this compared to the street that I'm right here, you know, nobody has that kind of thing. But as performance as it is, you know, obviously it's always like a eye-catching and all. So I just want to clarify that, you know, if anybody want to just ask me for it, please, I don't want to be rude, but just, you can look at it, you can see how it works and all. but I can't just let you ride for me or even like for a couple of distance and all. I can't, okay? But anyway, if you liked today's video, please drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And I'm vlogging on my phone, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna use my camera for, you know, some sit down videos and all, because I feel like it's gonna be good. But this girl already is trying to ride it before me, but okay, I'm out. I'll see you on the next video.